Hey y'all, hey, I'm still in my pajamas from yesterday, but today, what happened today? This morning I cooked breakfast for the kids, and then my car was having trouble starting, y'all. Come to find out, somebody kept leaving the light on in the car, so the battery kept dying, so I kept having to get a jump to charge my car. So I figured that I finally resolved that dilemma, so hopefully my battery does not die anymore. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all in yesterday's visual diary that the airport broke my luggage. Y'all will see in my weekly vlog that comes out next week. But the airport broke my luggage, y'all. I've been flying with them for years now, and they broke my luggage. I cannot believe it, but yeah, I forgot to tell y'all that yesterday. And then I got so many packages from TikTok shop. However, I'm not gonna post reviews on those items until I get to 5,000 followers on TikTok, because then I can start getting paid affiliation coin. You know what I'm saying? So why not? You know what I'm saying? Get the funds where you can get the funds. Don't just be out here creating content for free. Or at least over there anyway, especially when you can get paid for it. Like TikTok pays you for literally everything as long as you have XYZ amount of followers on there. So I'm trying to get to 5,000 followers on TikTok. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna get there. And then because the reason I really want to do it is because if I start making money off of TikTok affiliate, it'll help me to reach my outrageous goal that I set for myself. That, you know what I'm saying? So that is the reason why. What else? So I got my little things for my Bible. They came in the mail, so I've been doing that for my vlog or whatever. I got my vlogging camera, but I have to charge it, set it up, do all that good stuff. So I'm gonna do that and start vlogging on there. What else? Oh, my uncle came to visit me today, so we sat and we chatted it up. He's really like my brother. Like, we grew up together. I'm more his sibling than his actual siblings. So yeah, he came to visit me today, and we chatted it up for a couple of hours. And then my mom came, of course, trying to be a real sibling. But yeah, so that was really it today. We didn't really have much going on. Yeah. All right, bye. See y'all in the next visual diary. Dear diary. Bye.